students, I am Abais Ahmed Shakir from the Midnight High School. Chapter number 2, class 10th, exercise 2.1. First question, find the discriminant. Find the discriminant of the following equation. Of the following equation. Find the discriminant means what is discriminant? Discriminant is a part of quadratic formula. B square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula, but only the square root part of the quadratic formula is called discriminant. We can say that the short form of the discriminant is disk. Disk is equal to b square minus 4ac. The formula of the discriminant is b square minus 4ac. And discriminant or disk is tell about the nature of the question, nature of the equation. Explain. First we solve the question and then find the nature. X square plus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 8. I discussed about in the previous lecture the coefficient of x square is A, the coefficient of the x is B, and the constant term is C. Now the disk is equal to B square minus 4ac. Put the value of A, B and C. Put the value of A, B and C. This is equal to, the value of B is 4 and square minus 4 into A is equal to 1, C is equal to 8. This is equal to 4 square 16 minus 32. The solution of the minus 16 and 32 is equal to minus 16. This is the discriminant of this equation. This is the discriminant of this equation. And the disk is also define the nature of this equation. For the discriminant and the nature of the equation, follow the 4 rules. It means the first rule, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and perfect square. Second rule, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and not perfect square. Third rule, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Fourth rule, if b square minus 4ac less than 0. The answer of the discriminant is in 4 forms. Or b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and perfect square, or b square minus 4ac greater than 0 and not perfect square, and third condition b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, and fourth condition b square minus 4ac less than 0. It means this rule is applicable on this equation. No, the 4 rules show the nature of the equation. In the first rule, we also write the nature. If the answer of the b square minus 4ac greater than 0 and perfect square, then the nature of the equation is real, rational, and unequal. Real means real number, rational means cannot a irrational number, and unequal means cannot equal to 0. And second rule nature, real, irrational, and unequal. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the nature of the equation real, rational, and equal. And the fourth rule, b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the nature of the equation is imaginary. Imaginary. It means the disk is equal to minus 16. Minus 16 is less than 0. It means the fourth rule is applicable. We are also right the nature of the equation is the roots of the equation. The roots of the equation is imaginary. Another example we solve. Another example. Second example, 2x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to minus 1. The coefficient of x square is equal to A, the coefficient of x is equal to B, and the constant is equal to C. Now find the disk. This is formula b square minus 4ac. Put the value of A, B and C. This is equal to B 3 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 1. This is equal to 3 square is equal to 9 minus minus plus 4 2s are 8. This is equal to 17. Now find the rule or applicable on this equation. B square minus 4ac greater than 0. This term is greater than 0, but not perfect square. 17 is not a perfect square of any number. It means the perfect square is 4, 9, 16, 25. These numbers are the perfect square of. This is the 2, 3, 4, 5. These numbers are the perfect square of the real number. But rule 1 is not applicable on this equation because 17 is not a perfect square. 17 is not a perfect square. And rule 2, b square minus 4ac greater than 0 and not perfect square. This rule is applicable on this equation. Mean 17 is greater than 0 and not perfect square. No, if this rule is applicable, its nature is real, irrational and unequal. The nature of the roots of the equation. The roots of the equation is real, irrational and unequal. Irrational means not perfect square. Real means real number, not a imaginary number. Unequal means not a zero. Equal means this is equal to 0. Now we solve another example for this equation. X square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. The coefficient of this equation, x square is a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 1. Find the disk b square minus 4ac. Put the value of a, b and c. This is equal to minus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. Disk is equal to minus 2 square is equal to plus 4 minus 4. Disk is equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 4 is cancel and the answer of the plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now rule number 3 is applicable on this question. It means this b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. The solution of b square minus 4ac is 0. So the nature of the roots is real, rational and equal. Real number 0 is also real number, 0 is also called the rational number, or equal mean discriminant is equal to 0. Students, question number 1 and 2. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1, question number 1 and 2. Solve the same pattern. Thanks.